Today we're going to talk about the Secure Act. Secure Act is probably one of the biggest changes within the estate planning world in several decades. The Secure Act is a change in the law dealing with retirement funds. It used to be that you would take required minimum distributions at age 70 and a half, and that you would have about 3 different choices at death that the beneficiaries would be able to take. One, they could take out the full amount of the retirement and be taxed on that amount. They could take it out over 5 years, or they could take it out over their lifetime. The rules changed as of January 1 based upon the Secure Act. So now they've raised the ability for you to take R&Ds, or requirement minimum distributions, to age 72. So that gives us another 18 months worth of ability to invest and keep money in our retirement account, and we're not going to be required to take that money out. The second thing is we now can, within our retirement accounts, invest in annuities. The third, and probably the biggest change, is the ability for us to take these, when we inherit these IRAs, we are now forced into taking 2 options. We can take out the money all at once, or we can take it out over 10 years. And that 10-year options, depending upon the size of the retirement account, could be sizable and force your beneficiaries into higher tax brackets. If I was 35 receiving middle income, I may be forced into a 37% tax bracket versus my normal tax bracket because I'm receiving more funds. That is probably the biggest change with regards to that to the beneficiaries. There is one exception to the rule, and that exception to taking the money out over the 10-year period of time is disabled adults. The Secure Act actually gives us an opportunity to give individuals or give charities or foundations an ability to receive those funds. Any charity that receives funds from an IRA, those distributions would be non-taxed because they are a charity. So if we have clients that are charitably inclined, this may be an opportunity to reevaluate our planning tools and look at and see if this is an opportunity for us to give charities a percentage of the retirement account. So this is a time for us to review our plans, review how this has impacted us, and what changes we can look forward to in the future. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something and we provided some kind of value to you. We hope to see you soon. Thank you very much.